Yo, what's going on? Back at you, man. I need everybody to join the TextBot Telegram. Join the TextBot Telegram. You're gonna see all the money that's being made, all the resources being used, and how we are easily generating $100 to $300 a day easily just from our automated text system. I'm telling you, I haven't made a video about this in a minute, but the group is booming. So right here in the link in the description, you're gonna see the link to join the Telegram, and the Telegram is booming. So you need to get in there, get in now, see everything that's going on, see the bonuses people are using, seeing the money people are making. And if you haven't gotten it yet and you're still on the fence, there's no reason to be on the fence. All right, pay your $100 for your setup fee or what have you, and then you just start using and start sharing your number, and everybody who you bring in, you're gonna get $100 immediately. There's no bringing into, there's no waiting, there's no being in the water, now you're in the earth, and now you're the seed, or now you're the full flower. None of that, all right? You know what I'm saying? This sound Copeland, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Commission, Mr. Conversions. Hey, I'm not going to steer you wrong. If anything that I'm doing, you know it's legit. You know, I'm not going to jeopardize nothing that I do with me serving and protecting the country. I'm not going to put that in jeopardy at all. So, but if you're into making them extra money and money that you can start making to transition out your regular job, this is a good way to start. This is a good, great way to start. I'm telling you. So, join the Telegram. Get all the information, you know what I'm saying? There's no commitment. See how we're doing things, see the money that's being made, and then, hey, go ahead, get off the fence and join us and hop on with us, all right? Subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. If you got a question, drop a comment. Peace.